Hey there. So if your Canon is not focusing, the first thing that you can try to do is you want to clean the lens and camera contacts. And also what I found here, the advice here is that if you have manual mode, so I assume your shutter speed is too slow, set it so it's no slower than 1/6 of a second if you're doing in handheld. And what you're getting is motion blur from the shutter being open too long. This is not a focusing issue if this is the case. Also, what you can try to do, the view in the viewfinder is very small compressed. If you look at the picture afterwards, it is enlarged, quite similar to looking at the post time using the magnifying glass. And then if you want to get sharp pics in MF mode, you should use the live view with magnify loop option. So this is something you can also try, and then of course like clean the lens and camera contacts. And I hope it actually helped you at least a little bit this video. If not, then I'm sorry. Have a great day and goodbye.